We just brought the glimpses of this book launch in our daily report yesterday. So this is a book written by Samir Kelkar. It is not very often that a book is written by from the Indian manufacturing sector. Um, as you know that I have wrote this Change Makers of Indian Manufacturing. After that, this is something which I'm very happy. This book written by Samir Kelkar, and we at Machine Maker can bring this copy more because it's a wonderful one. 40 years of grindmaster's life is written in this garage to global. I would like to see that this experience what this family Kelkar family have done should reach to more and more people.
Can you see this eagle, Myra?
Yes, I.
The way this eagle is taking flight, same like IMTEX. The way this IMTEX has set a benchmark to the manufacturers, not only in India but all across the globe. This IMTEX has not only provided some solutions or some services, but have also created a huge platform for the people to witness and to showcase their services and products.
I truly agree. Like we are wrapping up with the sixth day of IMTEX 2025, I am just amazed to see, and it is bigger than what I imagined IMTEX would be like.
Day one, we came out with a story about how Mastercam and Lenskart is giving the sunglasses here. Large crowd any day we come here. People are having this glass. More than I think 2-3,000 glasses have been already given daily, and everyone have this glass. No, it perfectly fits. I don't know the magic what Lenskart have done. So I am having with me Chetan.
As you mentioned that Mastercam helped Lenskart in developing these glasses. So these glasses are manufactured using CNC technologies. And when we do CNC machining, we need some programming. And Mastercam helped us to design these perfect glasses using their software. So Mastercam is amazing, very accurate in making the right programs in the right way. At the same time, their support function team is very enthusiastic, willing to learn and solve the problems on time. So that helped to make these glasses successful and designed on time. So this is how we developed this.
Ramesh sir, now many people know that Mastercam. Otherwise, we think that it is only used for machining. Oh no, only with metal. Now it's not the game, right? Many people can use it. So how people are able to identify that coming here this time at IMTEX?
Yes, Lenskart is one of our unique customer, I would say. Like we see Mastercam customer mostly into aerospace, defense, the generic industry, but this is one unique industry that we have. People are very enthusiastic to come to our stall, wear these glasses and promote Mastercam.
Congratulations to you, Daniel sir. A big hit, a big marketing hit. So, what's the when I am going to get the iPad?
So there are 3 iPads that we are giving away for 3 lucky people. The idea is to showcase what great customers can do when two good teams collaborate. Excellent things come out of it, and I think Lenskart is making amazing sunglasses with the help of Mastercam. They have a great bunch of engineers headed by Mr. Chetan as well. And the interesting bit that I would like to share is the logistics and the production happened just 3 days before the show started. It goes to show that the efficiency that the manufacturing setup carries, the quality of the lenses can be seen by everybody who wears them, and overall it's a winning combination that is being displayed to everyone who can benefit from using a combination such as what we have achieved with Lenskart. And that's all it is. Thank you.
Now, amazing. Let's go to some people who are taking some selfies. So here also one person is trying to take the selfie and photographs. So what's your name?
Sir, Shubham Kumar Saw.
Where are you from, Shubham?
I'm from Bangalore.
Are you happy with this Lenskart Mastercam glass?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you know this Lenskart glass is designed in a Mastercam software?
Yeah.
You know. What do you do? Basically, you're a student, you're working.
So I'm basically a trainee. I'm working for some job and practice.
Okay. So you are Sunny?
Yes, sir.
Sunny, you are from where?
I am from Haryana, IIBS College.
Are you happy getting this sunglass from Mastercam and Lenskart?
Yes, sir. I am very happy to get, and it's very comfortable, and the view after this is very gloomy.
You looks like a film star.
I hope I will go in the films.
Second last day of IMTEX. You are here all the days actually. I've seen you looking at different stalls, different innovations. And we met last time in AMP also. You go and visit and different expos. How do you find IMTEX this time?
Very vibrant, extremely vibrant. There's a lot of new technology up. What is also interesting to see is that the Indian market is now very focused on getting new and more tooling into the market. Also, there is, I think, a shift in focus for getting Indian tools. One major problem all throughout has been that the government has not even bothered about this industry, which is the fundamental part of all manufacturing. Every single bit of manufacturing is dependent on cutting tools. Today, I think India is 95% dependent on import of tools, both high quality as well as cheap standard tools. Now, for the past 30 years, we have been at the forefront of making very high precision tools, especially for automotive, defense, aerospace, and mining. But we have a long way to go. The education and training system doesn't exist. We don't have any kind of national infrastructure for training for tools. Although I've been on the Capital Goods Committee, which handles all strategic manufacturing, the focus on tools has been zero. Also, very unfortunately, we don't have a single bit of raw material made in India. Raw material for cutting tools is zero. Not only tungsten carbide, but also, very unfortunately, special tool steels. I hope that the government takes note of this, and having seen this exhibition, the way how vibrant it is, not only the number of people coming, but the number of exhibitors, I think we are the largest in Asia. This is the largest in Asia.
We cannot say this is the largest in Asia because there are some other places, even China and all those things will be very high. But considering even in Southeast Asia or even India for this, I believe it's huge. It's
No
huge.
doubt. It is a very vibrant exhibition, a lot of new technology, and almost everybody has been talking about the quality of people who have been attending. So I think it's a good show.
So you work on digital manufacturing. So how was your experience in IMTEX?
Yeah, it was fantastic. It's been 10 years I have been visited IMTEX, but this time it is tremendous. Industry 4.0, Industry 5.0. People are beyond imagination, things are going. And everyone is talking about IIoT, machine-to-machine communication, digital training. I can see fantastic changes here. Every leaders are coming up with new ideas, where I'm sure the whole manufacturing ecosystem is going to benefit from that.
What you do and how you are helping the manufacturing community?
Our company is India. It is a startup company. It is a joint venture of a German company and an Indian company, Lidex India Private Limited, and Trillion Arts GmbH in Germany. It was founded in the year 2021. We are a SaaS ERP solution provider for the manufacturing industry. We came up with a product called MITP, Manufacturing Innovation Transformation Program. We are focusing mainly on the MSME sector, not on Tier 1 or OEM, because they are the struggling industry where they need an upgradation to the digital manufacturing. So we are supporting with a product called MITP, where we will be providing not only an ERP solution, but a digital toolkit, IIoT toolkit. We are providing the industry starting with industry 3.0 solution, because we have to come to the reality. Our companies are not even matured enough to handle 3.0. We are providing them 3.0 later on to 4.0 solution.
Got a friend here, Uttam Sinha from Pune, metal impregnations. I think today is day 6. You came a couple of days before.
Yeah. Yes. It was because I was excited to come over here. It was the known from the beginning itself that this event would be coming for the 7 days. So we thought that why not we can come and then see that.
So how was your experience visiting different exhibitors? How you see India as a country is growing?
It is not the different exhibitor. Okay, thing is that we are all associated with these industries. Okay, but coming to the India, as you know that India is now growing. People are coming and they are looking forward for more and more opportunity to grow their business in India under the Make in India regime. So that sort of things it is always be there, and then it would be continued for longer time.
We have with us Mr. Sanjay Desai. Sir, may I know how was your experience at IMTEX 2025?
As usual, it was a wonderful experience. But frankly speaking, this IMTEX, we have a lot of exhibitors, a lot of people, those who are visiting, and the customers, those we have, are. I think this is one of the IMTEX which I have seen so much of rush, a lot of business, lot of potential customers, and we feel that this is one of the best place to exhibit for us. And thanks again, once again, for you for this.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience. Ma'am, may I know how was your experience as IMTEC 2025?
IMTEX 2025 was really amazing. This was the first time that I was here as an exhibitor, and to be honest, we've all gained a lot of knowledge looking at all the other exhibitors, their innovations and technologies that were here. So yeah, it was a great experience.
So, 6th day of IMTEX comes to an end.
The day was very tiring and yet so energetic at the same time. I hope you come and visit at the last day of MTEX tomorrow and can get more learning and more experiences, because this thing happens once in a year and it's huge. And before ending, I would like to wish Kshitija happy birthday, Kshitija, and wish you many more success and happiness in your life.
Thank you so much, Myra. Yeah, I know it's my birthday, but this was my dynamic birthday. Like, I get to experience such innovation, such advancement happening in the manufacturing industry. Yeah, I can say that I spent my birthday very well here at IMTEX 2025. Thank you so much.